Welcome to a special photo department Minisode. We are on day 3 of our mandatory shelter in place in the Bay Area, and I'm doing okay. I think I'm doing fine. Okay, so Dad, no wait, just go. Have you tried turning it off and then back on again? Just throw it away. Just garbage can. Everything's kind of crazy now, and I'm locked in my home pretty much with my housemates, only leaving for essential stuff. So I figured what a great time to show you guys some photos I've been taking or talk about some interesting stuff. Like, I have merch now. I always kind of wanted to make something that you guys could like buy and like have, but I'm lazy and busy at the same time. So recently I started a Teespring account and designed these shirts. All the designs, the logo and stuff are by my friend Eiselle. She designed these when I first started the channel, and I put them on shirts. So there's sweatshirts and t-shirts in a bunch of different colors and 2 different designs. So if you want to help support this channel and you want some cool shirts, streetwear even, while doing it, yeah, you can head over to the link in my description and get a cool t-shirt or a sweatshirt. There's been a bunch of people who already bought some, so thanks. That's pretty rad. But you can buy some too. This one's the block logo. It's comfy, it looks nice, it doesn't smell weird. I think it's weird to wear your own gear. I don't think I'm going to be doing what Linus Tech Tips does and wearing my own gear in my videos, which it's fine that they do it, but it's just not my style. So you can win this exact t-shirt that I'm wearing right now. I'm only wearing it this moment, so it's clean. And it's a size large. It's comfy, it's nice. But you can win this shirt if you want. Just go in the comment section and tell me why you deserve it. And then I'll put everyone who comments into a little random generator and pull out a name and you'll get the free shirt. So yeah, anybody can enter to win. Just leave a comment below. This video is really short. I just kind of wanted to show you guys some photos I took on a recent road trip down to LA, down the 5. I've been kind of lagging on processing film and taking pictures just because it's been so crazy. Started a new job, all this stuff going on with the world. So, but I did take a bunch of photos when I went down to LA and I thought they came out really cool. I shot everything on my Nikon One Touch 100, which is kind of like my new little vintage store point and shoot that I got that I kind of take with me everywhere. These were all taken on Kodak Gold 100, which is a film that I'm really into now. It's really cheap and it looks really good. So yeah, I've actually shot some professional stuff with that lately. So if you want to make really good images, but you're worried that film's really expensive and you want to use Portra, but you're like, oh, it's like, what is it, like $7 a roll now or something? Buy cheap film. You can make really good professional looking images with cheap film. It's not about the best film or whatever. And you can edit film in post to make it look like whatever you want. Kyle McDougall, who's a good guy, great YouTuber, friend of mine, he actually has a tutorial where he talks about how he edits his film photography. And I'll put a link to that in the description. He also talks about how he edits Fujifilm files to make it look like his film photography, which is really insightful, super cool advice, so you should follow that. The link is in the description below. Yeah, go read all that stuff. The point is, you can use cheap film, you can edit it to make it look like whatever you want, and don't let your budget limit you. Go out, create, do stuff. Yeah. So here are some photos, all on Kodak Gold 100, driving down the 5 towards LA, Nikon Action 100, One Touch, whatever, point shoot, $8 from a thrift store. do have some videos coming up with John, who you've seen on this channel before a bunch. We've been screwing around with Ektachrome and Leicas and cheap cameras and portraits and a really cool, super expensive camera that I'm actually really excited about that video as soon as John gets those scans back to me. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Go to the store, go to my Teespring and buy shirts to help support this channel. And stay safe, social distancing, super important. Stay home, stay away from people, just relax, we're gonna be okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Follow me on Instagram at Christopher Sturm on Instagram. Tell me also in the comments, what's your favorite cheap film? What do you like shooting with? Let's talk about it. I love having this conversation. We have so much time because I'm not going to work for 3 weeks, so let's talk about stuff. Tell me what you're up to. Okay, see you later.